Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add money to Venmo. Now, open up the Venmo app on your iPhone or Android. And first, we're going to tap on the Me button at the bottom right to see if you already have money in the Venmo account. So after you're logged in, tap on Me at the bottom right. And you can see I have a balance of $0. So let's top it up with more money. You can see it says transfer here and then add money. Tap on add money and you'll see a number of different options to be able to add it. A debit card, bank account, you can cash a check or do direct deposit. Let's say in most cases you have a bank account linked on there. So just tap on that and you'll be able to see I can enter in say $50 or $100 or whatever. And there is my Bank of America bank account already linked on there. If I tap on it, you can see add a bank account. I can tap on that. If you don't already have a bank account, you can go through the process of verifying it and just logging into your bank account and adding it in. Now, let's say there are other options as well. If you go back and tap on add money, you can also go direct deposit or cash a check. If you tap on, for instance, direct deposit, your employer can automatically send you that funds through the routing number and account number. Just tap on view and send that to your employer. Now, another cool way that you can add funds to your balance is you can do pay or request at the bottom. So tap on the Venmo icon. And then I'm going to tap on, for instance, my brother Tyler here. And if I type in $50 and hit request, and then request, essentially I can request funds from someone else. And of course, if they choose to send that to me, then that will top up the balance on my Venmo account. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.